Hello, nice to meet you. Would you like to have some coffee or a glass of water?
Camera is on. You can answer now.
How do you cope with stress on the job?
You can answer now.
What is stainless steel and what is its use in building industry?
You can answer now.
What are passive cooling strategies?
You can answer now.
What materials are used for sound and heat insulation? Tell me about their properties.
Camera is on. You can answer now.
What is backwashing of sand gravity filter?
You can answer now.
Tell me about oxygen sag curve.
You can answer now.
How good are you in convincing? Convince me to relocate to your hometown.
Camera is on. You can answer now.
Take me through a project that you successfully completed.
You can answer now.
How do you schedule and commit to your own quality time?
You can answer now.
On what occasions are you tempted to lie?
You can answer now.
Before we wrap up, do you have any questions about our company or this position?
You can answer now.
Thank you. Our HR executives will be in touch with you shortly.